Hey everyone, Cranberry Alarm Ri3D here. Today we're going to be going over our end effector prototype that we have here. For this we have a side roller style design, and we're running about 4-inch compression all the way through it. Let's go and put one in just so we can see how it looks with it in there. So we're using these back two wheels here to kind of index it and bring it in kind of straight, so then we can feed it into these 3-inch wheels right here, which are going to be like our ejector wheels that are going to be the ones finishing off the scoring. And as that kind of comes through there, you can kind of see how that looks, and just kind of goes straight through like that. So yeah, let's go and do a couple prototypes. So we're going to show here our L1 scoring. Each of these sides are going to be independently powered. We had a lot of struggles with being able to eject cleanly into L1 in the vertical orientation. Like the kit bot, ejecting in the horizontal orientation is very, very effective. So what we're going to be attempting to do to score an L1 is, instead of ejecting just straight out, we're going to be imparting a spin on this by driving these at different speeds to hopefully get that to score an L1 effectively. So let's go and give it a try. Let's go and spit it up my side a little bit. Now you can see it kicked it there. All right, let's go and stop. Let's just go ahead and change the position of it so that we can see how it feels with different orientation. So I'm just going to angle it a little bit. Let's say you can't get fully aligned. Here we're not getting quite as good results from a distance. There I sped up mine right there to go and get a little bit more speed on it. And there we're getting enough speed to get it in there. So this one will be really kind of temperamental and kind of figuring this out, as this end effector is kind of designed for the L2 and the L3 and the L4, which we're going to go ahead and show later. So here we have a very precisely engineered structure here to be able to accurately test the deployment of our end effector here onto the L4 rung. We're not going to be testing L2 and L3 just because it was going to be a little hard to set up, but we're operating under the assumption that if we can score L4 at our 15-degree angle, then we assume that L2 and L3 will be more advantageous and should be easier to score on. So let's go and do a quick demo and do a couple tries. So we are going at a moderate speed here. We're not trying to go too fast. We can show that, but it's a little bit dangerous just for everyone involved. And right now with independently powered sides, it's important that both sides be the same power. If you're not the same power, then likely the game piece will come out at an awkward angle. Do one more. There you go. And that pretty much demonstrates the L4 scoring of our end effector with our two side rollers. We're using 3-inch Andy Mark 35A green wheels to eject the wheels, and then to index the wheels in the back, we're using the 2-inch Andy Mark 35A green compliant wheels. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to check out more videos of Cranberry Alarm Ri3D on Fun Robotics Network.